Hello guys, this is Ivan from Flatiron School. Today I will show you my Phase 3 final project. Database tool is a SQL Alchemy command line interface designed to manage US entities like state, cities, and counties. Users can navigate through a color menu, making CRUD operations. Let's start showing US entities, state, city, and counties table. Next, we will add a new state, California state. Done. The result is shown in a table. Next, we will update California state. We will add a new value for area. New value 111. Done. Next, we have to delete California state. State California. We don't have to be worried about the capital letters. Next, we will count how many cities will we have in Florida or in the database in Florida. 12 cities. Going to the main menu, database tool is able to get the latest weather report. How is the weather in New York? Overcast, clouds. Do you like to play games? Database tool have the capital city guessing game. Try to guess the capital city of US state. What is the capital city of Oregon? Salem. What is the capital city of Maine? Augusta. Correct. Thank you for your attention, guys. This was my Phase 3 final project. Bye.